It's very easy to use. It's cheap. It's a dehydrator. How do you like them apples? Check it out. So I just got myself a dehydrator, and it is actually so easy to use. We're gonna take 2 pounds of apples and put them in the dehydrator and see what the total weight is. I'm Coach Bill, 315, and I am a backpacker. I'm a hiker. I love camping. I love the outdoors. And when it comes to backpacking, every ounce counts. What you pack in here, you got to carry it from point A to point B. So if I'm carrying it for 100 miles, that's a lot of weight on me, because you're bringing your tent, you're bringing your sleeping bag, you're bringing your cook system, you're bringing your water, and you're also carrying your food. So everything adds up very fast. And the last thing you want to do is bring an apple or a banana. Typically what I bring is this high sugary stuff that's full of carbs, and by day number 3, my stomach is just like bubble gut feeling. It's horrible. So I'm actually not doing so good. I'm under some brush right now. It's down there like really good. I don't know if you can hear it in the background, but my stomach has been like uneasy like for about 4 hours now. I don't know what's going on with it. And to top everything else off, I forgot my rain jacket. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I know I gotta eat something because my stomach is not feeling good. I have a trip coming up this coming weekend where I'm doing about 75 miles. So I wanted to change up my eating habits. So I bought myself a dehydrator. And if I would have known 10 years ago that it is so simple to use, I would have bought this years ago. So the price on this is about $50. I didn't want to get an expensive one. I'm still pretty new to making a dehydrator type food. And I know what you're thinking. I'm trying to sell you something, but I'm not. If you don't want to buy it, I don't care. I'll put the link down below. I'm just kind of giving you some information on something that I wish that I would have known years ago, because it's such a simple process. It's like putting something in the microwave. That's how simple it is. You cut up your fruit, and then you put it on these small little trays. Then you put them on the dehydrator. You select a time, and you select a temperature. And it comes along with this nice little cheat sheet. And for these apples, you're looking at 5 hours at 135. Now I'm using 2 types of apples. I'm using the green ones and I'm using the red ones. And they are different in taste. Like the green ones, you might like if you like sour stuff. To me, when I'm out there backpacking, I like to have a variety of different tastes. So with the red ones, I have something that's a little bit more sweet. And with the green ones, definitely more sour. So after you wait the 5 hours, you have your little, I don't know, apple like chip things, and we'll go ahead and take a weight on them, and we're looking at about, let's see, like 9 ounces. Now think about that. The original weight on this was 2 pounds, and it shrunk it down by about 75%. And now I actually feel comfortable about bringing apples and bananas on my backpacking trip. So I know that it's backpacking season, and you might not be able to get out there backpacking, but you enjoy watching backpacking videos. And I have a ton of adventures that you might want to check out. If you look right over here, these are a ton of different adventures that you might like, and I do anything from like West Coast to East Coast. Hope you guys enjoy these type of videos. Again, this is Coach Bill, 315. Yeah, buddy, and I'm out of here. Yeah.